Hello everyone, welcome to a new video of my YouTube channel. So in this video I am going to show you that how you can solve the brightness issue in Windows 11. So when installing Windows 10, you might face some problem in enabling brightness or disabling or increasing brightness. It may cause some problem. So in this video I am going to show you that how you can solve that problem. So firstly you need to go to search, then you have to search here is device manager, go to device manager, then this type of interfaces will open. Then firstly you need to go to display adapters. You need to click on the adapter. So for me it is Intel HD graphics 520. You have to update this driver, search automatically for drivers. Okay, the first process is done. So let's go to the second process. So in the devices manager option you will find another option called monitor. You have to click on the monitors, then you will find your monitor. For me it is generic PNP monitor. So firstly you need to disable this device, then click on yes, then again go to enable it. Okay, we enabled our monitors. Now you have to go to the properties option, then go to driver, then click on update driver, search automatically for drivers. Okay, the second process will done. Now we are gonna go to the third process. Okay, so the third process is again go to search here CMD. Don't open it automatically, you have to open it as run as administrator. Open it as run as administrator. You have to click on yes. Okay, so here we will give some commands. So the first command is chkdsk. Hit enter. So it will take some time, you have to wait some time. %69 is completed. Okay, our first command is done. Now we are gonna hit the second command. The second command is prompt, 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 then hit enter. Okay, now the third command is sfc space slash scan file equal to c colon / Windows, then / system32, then / iframe.dll. iframe.dll. You have to hit enter. Okay, and the second command is you don't need to write everything. You have to click on the upper arrow on keyboard. Okay, then all you need to do, you have to edit here, sorry, dll. You have to write here verify file. As usual the rest of the things are same, then hit enter. Okay, so the next command is assoc, then hit enter. Okay, then the next command is sfc space scan now. Sorry, you have to write sfc / scan now. Okay, beginning the system, it will take some time guys, you have to wait for this system. So I'll get back to you after complete the command. So the command has been completed successfully. As you can see, verification 100% complete. So now you don't need to do anything, you have to hit the exit command, then you are out of the CMD. So all you need to do now is simply restart your computer, then open it, then your brightness will definitely work. So you are good to go. So I hope this video will help you a lot as a Windows 11 user. So